Good morning. I am Uttamal, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Rogini College of Engineering and Technology. I'm going to explain the topic from testing of hypothesis, MA 3251, Statistics and Numerical Methods. Test of significance of small samples. When the size of the sample is less than 30, then that sample is called a small sample. The following are some important tests for small samples: student t-test, f-test and chi-square test. Now, small sample test for t-test. So the test statistic is t is equal to x bar minus mu divided by s by square root of n minus 1, where x bar is sample mean, mu population mean, s is standard deviation of sample and n for sample size. Working rule: set the null hypothesis H0 is mu is equal to a specified value. Set the alternative hypothesis H1 is mu is not equal to a specified value. We choose a level of significance. Alpha is either 5% or 1%. Test statistic is t is equal to x bar minus mu divided by s by square root of n minus 1 with the degrees of freedom is n minus 1. And last step, conclusion: if our calculated value is less than table value, then accept H0 or reject H0. Example: the mean lifetime of a sample of 25 bulbs is found as 1550 hours with an standard deviation of 120 hours. The company manufacturing the bulbs claims that the average life of their bulbs is 1600 hours. Is the claim acceptable at 5% level of significance? Solution: given the sample size is n is equal to 25 and the sample mean x bar is 1550 and sample standard deviation s is 120 and population mean is mu is 1600. Now step 1, set the null hypothesis H0 is mu is equal to 1600 and alternative hypothesis H1 mu is not equal to 1600. Now the level of significance is 5%. Now the formula: t is equal to x bar minus mu divided by s by square root of n minus 1 with the degrees of freedom n minus 1. Now substitute the value of x bar, mu, s and n. We get the value for t is equal to minus 2.0412. Now taking modulus, then modulus of t is equal to 2.0412. Now the next step, write the critical value at 5% level is 2.064 with the degrees of freedom is 24. Now the conclusion: our calculated value modulus of t is equal to 2.0412, which is less than our table value 2.064. Then we have to accept H0 at 5% level of significance. That is, the claim is acceptable. Thank you.